Well, with a little bit of delay, sorry about this, getting rusty at doing these hangouts now. First of all, this is Holger Mueller from Constellation Research. Reach me at Twitter at HolgerMU, HOLGERMU, here to share my takeaways from the recent CenturyLink partner event Ascent, held in my favorite place, my hometown, for these events in San Diego last week, I believe the 22nd till the 24th of February. It's a partner kickoff, so it's a little different than a user conference, and kickoff meeting is different than a user conference too. So very diverse audience, very well attended, very important meeting for CenturyLink, as it largely has new leadership in place for the partner channel and overall sales leadership in place for the enterprise, with Doug Douglas joining from Unify, the former Siemens subsidiary, which got picked up by Atos in the last 12 months. So new leadership, important for partners to get to know who is leading their efforts there, who is leading them, helping them to be successful, and some significant changes will drive it right away. Talking about this right now. So the big thing is, which has been publicly said by CenturyLink before, is it's moving away from running and owning and building data centers more into a services and software perspective. And this was the first partner summit to really make this public, talk about this, also pre-releasing what got out of the NDA today, the capabilities of what CenturyLink in the press release shared today about Cloud Application Manager, which basically is really CenturyLink morphing from a stovepipe provider of running their own data center. Everything is integrated with networking and so on, but you always sell data center capacity for CenturyLink to a multi-cloud provider, and the software layer for doing this is the CenturyLink Application Manager, Cloud Application Manager. And multi-cloud is very important for customers. We know that multi-cloud is reality for pretty much everybody there. There's haven't found a single cloud customer yet, even if they don't know it. Even if they say we put everything there, and they say, oh, wait a minute, we have this there. So multi-cloud is very much probability. And CenturyLink needs the partners to sell this. First of all, the partners which are there from a cloud operationalization side. I was on the panel together with a gentleman, as an example, from Microsoft Azure. Likewise, CenturyLink supporting, of course, the other two big cloud and Amazon, and with another gentleman from VMware, who is a key enabler to move the load from on-premises, which is largely in VMware images, to the public cloud. To that point, last week, both vendors, CenturyLink and VMware, also shared common partnership, very similar to what I think we read and seen between VMware and AWS. So big opportunity for partners because they break out of the stovepipe of only selling only CenturyLink, and moving to a broader partner, saying, look, your partner, your trusted partner, to move from one cloud to another cloud. We don't know which one is the best one. We might figure out which one is today, but we don't know who's tomorrow in 2018, 2019 as we progress. And that's a much better value proposition for partners, but something totally new for them to sell. So they have to get around that, get comfortable with that. And CenturyLink is executing that change in value proposition. But the partners are vital and needed for that. This was the first step. We'll keep watching that. And before it gets too loud here at the Ritz-Carlton, let's see if I can capture some of the gorgeous view. Looking at the Pacific and half the bay. But before it gets too loud, that's me pretty much. Good progress by CenturyLink at that partner meeting. Now we have to see how things will materialize in the rest of 2017. Thanks for watching. This was Holger Mueller from Constellation Research. Find me on Twitter. There's a story out there. There's a one-slide update on SlideShare, and tons of tweets and the hashtag CenturyLink Ascent. Thanks for watching. This is Holger Mueller from Constellation Research. Reach me on Twitter at HOLGERMU, Holger Mu for Holger Mueller. Thanks for watching.